Although Windows 11 can set the optimal font size, some people may prefer to make the text on display larger or smaller depending on many situations. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to change font size on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on accessibility. Click the text size tab. Use the text size settings to change the font and make it smaller or bigger on Windows 11. Click the apply button. Once you complete the step, the system text size will increase or decrease based on your settings on Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe